Welcome to CodeParse. I'm so excited to be sharing this amazing feature on GitHub with you. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so basically, GitHub actually released a new feature where it allows you to be able to navigate through your codes or utilize an editor in your browser without needing to pull that information onto your machine and then updating the dependency or all those crazy stuff. Well, I haven't tried the dependency update or pulling all those stuff yet. However, let's see how this works. Alright, so I'm going to try this on any of my repository. This can be done on any repository on GitHub. So let's roll. So I've selected this, and what you need to do is to press the period, that is the full stop on your keyboard. This works in any browser. So you just have to press the full stop on your keyboard and wait for the page to reload, so it automatically loads the page for you. So as you can see, so it brings you to this particular page where you can do the normal stuff you do with your VS Code. So you can edit codes. You can edit the codes. You can write anything. So for this, so you just have to write something. Let's say I've changed that line, I've removed something, and then if we come to, so it notifies you that there's source control. So you just have to write the commit message. Minor changes, and then immediately click on you approve that. It means that it will automatically push that particular update to your GitHub repo. So any changes that you make over here, immediately commit that. It automatically reflect on your GitHub repo online. So we can actually quickly go check that. You can actually try the Codespace. You can also actually go to you can see any PR, any waiting reviews that is assigned to you. You can actually see all those things related to this particular project. So you can also see all the issues at hand. You can open it and then read through all of them. So it gives you an idea, or you don't necessarily have to be on GitHub anymore to do any of this stuff. So you can be able to navigate, do anything, any amazing stuff you want to do. So this is actually an issue I just clicked on, and it brought me to this screen. So ideally, that is how you go about that. So if you need to install any extension, you can actually do that as well. So because this code is written in Kotlin, we can see if this is, oh cool. So you just have to okay, so they said this extension doesn't work. So this is the correct extension to use. Nope. Well, let's try that. So well, let's see if this work. All right, so when you take a critical look at one okay, well, it's working. So it has detected a code as Kotlin, and you can proceed writing your function and anything at all that you want to anything at all you like to do, you can do that, and it works. It gives you all the amazing things that you need to do. So basically that's all for this video. If you have any question, if you need any help, any support, just let me know. Thank you for watching. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also share.